Kasi mag-enjoy pa kayo pagkatapos nito, di ba? So okay lang. With friends and family. But when you go home, when you face your family, when you face your office again, and I know some of you, you don't want to think about it, but you will. But maybe you can go into that scenario with a message like this one. A song that I'd like to share with you, just from my heart, with everyone here in Atlantic City. Because no matter where we're from, no matter who we are, or what we've done, or where we're headed, for as long as you have reacted to some songs tonight that shared our hearts, it means you have a heart too. So this is my effort in reaching deep down in here, where it really counts, where it really matters. Here, the song goes something like this. Lately, I've been winning battles left, right. But even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding all my tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I'll cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, each warrior is a child. Galing sa isang teleserye. Teka, sandali lang. Ano ba ang teleserye? Ang dami kasi ngayon, di ba? I mean, you have tons of teleserye. For those of you who don't understand, it's a soap operas. Those are the biggest things in the Philippines right now. If you want to know what's going on in politics and everything, just watch the teleserye, it's all there. Okay? Politics, economy, it's all there. Here's one that I know will encourage you because this one came out a long time ago. Lani Misa Lucha pa nga has a new version of it. But I think I'd like to sing this for you now since after all it's always been requested in the concerts everywhere we go.